Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Finally got around to getting the front side of the rim sprayed today. Still hoping that they're going to hold air and work out for me because I really want to use them. But we'll see how that works out. Other thing I got done today is I took my leaf springs into my buddy's shop and I sandblasted them. So right now I just sprayed a light first coat of paint on them. So getting the rims painted, getting the leaf springs painted. Another thing I'm going to work on today is I got to vacuum out all the grind grit. I'm going to wipe this down in the areas specifically that need primer, covering the where I did some welds. Start getting this ready to spray, and we'll see what else we can get to today. When I disassembled the trailer, as you can imagine, a lot of the bolts were pretty rusty. Some of them broke. Unfortunately, some of the ones that broke were the U-bolts. So I ordered a brand new set. Those just arrived today. Some of them broke, some of them were just in bad shape, so I just decided to replace them all. When I started looking for my new U-bolts, I actually had a little bit of a hard time sourcing them. But I found out after a little research on the Jeep forums, the front U-bolts on my 48 CJ2A were the same as the U-bolts on the trailer. So I got looking at my hubs, and the outer bearings are out, so I could clean and inspect them right down to the individual roller bearing. The inners are still pressed in, and I think knocking that retainer ring out to get them bearings out and inspect them and clean them and repack them would probably ruin it. So I really don't know how to verify the inners are good without destroying the retainer ring and not being able to put them back in potentially. It seemed, from what I remember when I bought the trailer, it rolled well, but I didn't use it enough before taking everything apart to know if the bearings were good or not. So what I'm thinking about doing is just buying full new sets of bearings and repacking them and starting fresh. I got the tub, those areas that were bare steel from doing the welding grinding, sprayed with primer. I've also got the rims and the leaf springs done. I think that's all I'm going to do for today. So this might be a really short segment update episode, but I'm going to just call it for today. If you like the video, give us a like, that helps.